Let's bead this dress together, shall we? So what we have here is the before and the after. This is like a beginner's version. Like if you don't know anything about couture beading, this style is for you. Very easy and straightforward. There are no designs or any rigmarole. So what we need here is crystal beads. I'm going to be using this crystal beads to fully bead the bust area right there of this dress. And let's jump in to do that. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be attaching it one after the other on the bust area. See, even if you're an amateur beader and you, however you do this thing, as long as you bead it in such a way that there is no space on the bust area, you have fully beaded it. So we're going to do that for both bust areas, fully covered as much as possible. You can fix it individually, one, one, two, two, or three, three, but please don't make it more than three, three at most. So I've done one side and I haven't done the other side. I'll go ahead and do the other side. Now, if you look at the body, what I have there is stored. If you look very closely, you're seeing stored. I put three stored together and crystal beads as well. Dump it however you dump it, it will still work and be beautiful. So what I'm marking right there is the position I'm going to be fixing the beaded fringes. I'm fringing this thing directly on the dress. Now what I marked here is just in between, and then I'll go there and mark the next line. I did the beading about 8 inches long, so the next line I created was 4 inches after, so that it will lap properly. So I measured from where the bead is going to start to that line I'm drawing right there, 4 inches. After this line I'm drawing right now, I'll measure another 4 inches and draw another line on the sides, and then I'll fix the beads individually along the lines I just created. I have a full beading tutorial on how I beaded the skirt area of a particular dress. Maybe I'll put the link in the description so that you can see it and understand clearly how I did the measurement. What I did right here is just that 4 inches, and then the next one was 4 inches, but the bead itself was 8 inches long. When we do it 8 inches long, we'll now go under the 8 inches and do another 8 inches long, so that the beads will lap properly on top of each other. So I'm done here measuring where I'm going to be doing it. That was the second line I was doing right there. So after measuring it, I'm going to go ahead and start fixing the beads. And after fixing the beads, this right here is what it looks like. I put crystals at the bottom of the bead. If you're a beginner and you don't know jack about beading, this method is very, very easy. And nobody will know that you're not such a good beader, because wherever you just attach the stud to or the bead to, it stays and it looks beautiful. Now this right here is quite scanty. I could have filled the body if I wanted to as well, or created patterns, but just dumping it on top of it also made it beautiful. If you look up at the mesh and the sleeve, you discover that I also just put it individually here and there. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.